Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎�. I'm so glad you made it back. Thumbs up if you love videos like this. I know I do. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe and the notification bell. That way you know when I'm uploading. Welcome to my beauty room renovation part 1. And I decided to renovate this room. I'm not totally done, but who's ever done with their home? I'm going to show you where I am so far. Here's Mr. Traveler, my husband. He's so lovely. He did the entire renovation for me. I'm still not done. I have a little way to go, so I did a part 1 and part 2, but I'll show you where I am. Everything you see will be linked below. These beautiful drapes are from Amazon, and I'm going to have everything linked below if you want to go ahead and purchase it. So I decided to do a black and white color here with the drapes because the walls are a beige yellow, and I don't know if I want to change the color. I may paint it. I don't know. I'm going to also add art later. I added a plant from Amazon as well. And here I am jamming. I like to listen to music when I'm doing my makeup or doing my blogging. I decided to get these beautiful swivel chairs. These are 2 chairs. They spin in a circle, and I put them together myself. So I was able to do that by myself. And they are very heavy. However, they were really simple and easy to put together. They feel cozy. They feel like a teddy bear. And as you can see at the bottom, they swivel. So it was easy to put together. I thought it would be a good fit for my beauty room. That way I can take a break from filming. I can go sit down and watch my TV that's there, and I want to be comfortable because I work from home. I do this full time. So here's my fireplace, and I'll be showing it in the next video how it all came together. I also bought that from Amazon as well. Here's the chairs put together, and my lovely husband gifted me with this beautiful vanity for my birthday, and I'm just now putting it together and getting everything together. So I added a white carpet as well. It took about a month to get the room together. I'm still not done. I have a little ways to go. And right outside my beauty room, I had a coastal shell chandelier installed from 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. It's all seashell and it's absolutely beautiful. You see it right before you walk into my beauty room. I decided to have it professionally installed because I did not want my husband standing on a ladder on stairs. My stairs are very steep. My house is very tall. So I decided to have him install it, and it came out absolutely beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I know you're going to love it. Make sure you watch the tour of my beauty room. All done. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.